How to add a new friend on Discord. At the moment we are on Discord inside my server. Click here on the top left on the Discord symbol to move inside this screen. As you can see here and already selected the item friends, therefore we should do nothing more than move here to the top on the item add friend. Now inside this box enter the nickname of your friend Discord. Remember to also enter the hashtag followed by the 4 numeric digits to be sure not to get the wrong person. Click on send friend request. In my case, having entered a random nickname, the result gave an error that we can read below. When the addition of a friend is successful, green writing will appear in the same area that will let you know the success of the friend request.